New construction under $300,000? We got it here in Box Elder. This is Tristan Emond with Mindful Living Realty. Welcome to 361 Spirit Drive, Box Elder, South Dakota. This single-level home was completed in December of 2022. It's got 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 1-car garage. .361 Spirit Drive is just off 225th Street in Box Elder. Box Elder is about a 15-minute drive from Rapid City along I-90. This house is also minutes away from Ellsworth Air Force Base main gate and minutes away from the Douglas school system. Across this field you can see the schools. You're walking distance away from Patriot Elementary and Douglas Middle. Off Ellsworth Road you'll find Ace Hardware, Timmons Market grocery store, a couple fast food restaurants, or Bean Coffee, of course the Dollar General, and a beautiful golf course. Want a better peek at this house? Give me a call at 605-391-7086. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Remember, where you live.